Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 63 of Run the Year 2021. We just got a run in, so I think today is going to be a no expectations workout day. What I mean by that is we're not going to put any numbers on it. We're not even going to put what exercises we're going to do. We're just going to do some exercises until we get tired and then move on. So first of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. This channel is all about inspiration, motivation, being positive, and getting it done, moving that body. So that's what this is about. That's what this channel is about. So if you see something that you like, if you get some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. That helps us out. And we always love subscribers. So if you feel the need to subscribe, do that. But let me share this. My man, Mark Clark. And if you're not familiar with him, he's on YouTube. His channel is Reinventing Mark Clark. And it's, man, he put out a message today about visualizing it. And I totally feel him. I'm totally about that. Kind of reminds me of you versus you. You know, we all look at ourselves and we want to be that person we were 10, 15, 20 years ago when we were crazy in shape, doing our thing, and then life got in the way, right? So it's like, hey, you can never be that person you were back then, but it doesn't mean you still can't be a new person. It doesn't mean you still can't set those goals, get back in the ring, reinvent yourself, whatever you want to call it. You can do it. And that's what it's about. I mean, I was so inspired by that message. It just made me just even want to run longer. And so yeah, big shout out to Mark Clark. And if matter of fact, I will link his I'll link his YouTube video up here, so that way you can see it, because it's very inspirational, and it hit home. So okay, so with that, hey, it's time to get started. We're gonna knock out, I think what we'll do is I think I'm gonna start with some push-ups first. I'm gonna do some push-ups, get that out, and what we'll do here is, I don't know how many we're gonna do. We're just gonna do some push-ups, right? So we'll just do some. We'll get started. I'm not even gonna keep count, and I don't even want you to keep count. Really, what I want you to do is, if you haven't done so already, if you haven't won today, go ahead and drop down and give me a few. Give me a few push-ups. It doesn't matter how many you do. All that matters is that you do something. That's what matters, right? All right. Now let's knock out. Let's do some ab work. Let's do some what do they call Russian twist, but we're gonna do it with a little flavor here. Russian balls. We don't have a ball. What we're gonna do is we're gonna touch the ground. All right, that's all we're gonna do. Touch the ground. Then we're gonna squeeze those abs. Touch the ground. Looking good. Looking good. I'm crazy proud of you. Keep it going. You're doing it. This is what it's about. Just drop down and do something. Remember, you don't have to have your PT gear on. Hey, just drop down and do something. I promise you will feel good and better if you just do it right now. Don't think about it. Don't say, you know what I got to do. No, just take the 5 or 10, 20 seconds and do it. That's all it is. A couple of seconds, right? Good job. Good job. Now let's try these. We're gonna do figure 8 with our legs. It's gonna hit the obliques. All right, figure 8 like this. Oh man, feel that. Feel that, yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Keep it going. I'm proud of you. Getting it in. Getting it in. All right. Hey guys, that's it. That's what it's about right there. So proud of you. You got it in. If you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit me with a hashtag #RickRayPoint and hit that like button down below. And again, if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So again, invest in yourself, invest in your health, and hit that subscribe button right there. We'll talk to you tomorrow.